Have you ever noticed something strange? Some people make a really good salary, but still live like they're broke. They have a respectable job, a steady paycheck, a comfortable lifestyle. From the outside, they look successful, but behind closed doors, it's a different story. They're stressed about bills. They're carrying debt. They're waiting for the next paycheck, just like everyone else. So how does that happen? How can someone earn 100,000 or even $200,000 a year and still feel financially trapped? Most people think the answer is simple. Just make more money. If I made twice as much, I'd finally be free. It sounds logical, but reality says otherwise, because every year, millions of people get raises, better jobs, bigger bonuses, higher salaries, and yet their financial life barely changes. The paycheck grows, so do the expenses. The stress never disappears. It just gets more expensive. That's the trap. What most people never realize is this: earning more money does not automatically make you richer. Sometimes it simply gives your bad habits more room to grow. A bigger paycheck can be a blessing, or it can become permission to spend more. And for most people, it quietly becomes the second one. They don't even notice it happening at first. A slightly nicer apartment, a newer car, more food delivery, more subscriptions, a few upgrades here and there. Nothing dramatic, nothing that feels irresponsible, just enough to say, why not? I can afford it now. I worked hard for this. And that's exactly how the trap begins, because once your income rises, your lifestyle rises with it. What once felt like a luxury starts feeling normal. Then normal starts feeling basic. And before long, you're chasing the next upgrade all over again. The problem isn't that people are spending money. The problem is almost all of their extra money disappears before it ever has the chance to do something useful. That's why so many high earners still feel broke. Not because they earn too little, but because they keep turning progress into pressure. And that pressure gets heavier over time. When income goes up, people usually don't stop to ask, what should this money do for my future? Instead, they ask, what can I get now? That one shift changes everything, because every dollar has two possible jobs. It can make your life easier today, or it can make your life freer tomorrow. Most people choose today. The wealthy think about tomorrow, and that's where the real difference begins. The wealthy don't become free because they earn more. They become free because they keep more. They understand that money has to do more than just arrive. It has to stay. It has to grow. It has to work. Otherwise, even a great income can disappear into a lifestyle that never stops demanding more. That's why financial freedom has so little to do with how much you make, and so much to do with how much you keep, because wealth is not built by income alone. It's built by the gap between what comes in and what goes out. The bigger that gap, the faster wealth can grow. The smaller that gap, the faster you stay stuck. And the scary part is, most people don't realize they're shrinking the gap. They think they're improving their lives, but slowly they're building a life that costs more every single year. That means more pressure, more obligations, more money needed just to stay where they already are. So the paycheck goes up, but freedom doesn't. So, why do so many people stay broke even with a good salary? Because a raise doesn't solve bad financial habits. It only makes those habits more expensive. A higher salary is not the finish line. It's a choice point. You can use it to buy more comfort today or more freedom tomorrow. And wealthy people almost always choose freedom tomorrow. They don't get excited just because they earn more. They get excited when more of their money starts working. Without them, that could mean investments, ownership, a business, assets that continue producing value long after the work is done. That's the real shift, not income. Ownership, because income can make you feel successful, but ownership is what actually makes you free. And once your money starts producing more money, your need to chase every paycheck begins to disappear. That's when everything changes. You stop living from one month to the next. You stop needing every extra dollar just to stay afloat, and you finally begin building something that lasts. That's why wealthy people don't ask, how much can I earn this year? They ask, how much of this can I turn into something permanent? That single question changes everything, because the goal was never just to make money. The goal was to turn money into momentum, to turn income into assets, to turn salary into freedom. And if you understand that early enough, you can escape the trap before it becomes your normal life. So ask yourself this: is your money building your lifestyle, or is it building your future? Because that one answer says far more about your financial life than your salary ever will. And in the end, the people who become truly wealthy aren't the ones who earn the most. They're the ones who learn how to keep more, grow more, and let their money do the heavy lifting.